Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2018 Harley-Davidson Road King Special. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2018 Harley-Davidson Road King Special with 22,978 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, a keyless ignition, and has been upgraded with Screaming Eagle slip-on mufflers, a Screaming Eagle intake, Harley-Davidson primary cover and secondary cover, rider footrest, passenger footrest, grips, a rear brake pedal, shifter, shift linkage, and engine guard, Öhlins rear shocks, aftermarket smoked LED front and rear turn signals, docking hardware, and 8-inch handlebars. We have installed the new rear tire. Powered by a 107 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Road King puts 111 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel capacity, the Road King has a 220 to 250 mile fuel range. It has a 27.4 inch seat height and a 782-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and installed a new rear tire. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a paint chip on the fork, and a paint chip on the darking hardware. This bike has one key and one fob, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our premium program. It received an inspection, service, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile comprehensive warranty and continued 90-day, 3,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.